Hello! Big paycheck is not equal to security. Plenty of high earners are broke. The real game is wealth. Assets minus liabilities. In minutes, find your net worth number, stop lifestyle creep, and start turning paychecks into assets that pay you back. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you think a huge salary is the guaranteed path to financial security, I have some surprising factual news for you. Plenty of people with massive incomes live paycheck to paycheck. The actual goal is not income. The factual goal is wealth. So, what is the difference? Income is the cash flow you receive regularly, typically from a job, business, or investments. It's the amount that shows up in your gross pay. Wealth, factually, is the value of your accumulated assets, minus your liabilities. It is measured by your net worth. High income means you can earn a lot of money. High wealth means you own a lot of valuable assets that generate money for you, whether you work or not. The difference is simple. A high-income person stops earning when they stop working. A wealthy person's assets keep earning, regardless of their employment status. How does the math work? The entire goal of personal finance is to convert high income into high wealth. Wealth is calculated using a single factual formula. Assets minus liabilities equals net worth. Assets are things that factually put money in your pocket. Stocks, bonds, real estate, cash. Liabilities are things that factually take money out of your pocket. Credit card debt, high interest loans, car loans. Let's look at a factual example that proves why wealth matters more than income. Imagine a young doctor earning $180,000, high income, but living in a high-cost city, driving a brand new car on a loan, and carrying significant student debt. This person is forced to keep working at their high-stress job just to service their liabilities. Now imagine a software engineer earning $90,000, moderate income, who diligently invests 30% of every paycheck into low-cost index funds and has zero consumer debt. The engineer, by consistently converting a large portion of their income into income-generating assets, will factually achieve financial independence and true wealth far sooner. The doctor is trapped by their lifestyle. The engineer is free because of their net worth. The danger of ignoring this distinction is the lifestyle creep trap. When your income rises, you feel entitled to increase your spending on liabilities. A nicer apartment, expensive clothes, a faster car. This keeps your net worth stagnant, forcing you onto a never-ending treadmill. The benefit of focusing on wealth is discipline. It gives you a factual, measurable goal, net worth, that acts as a fortress against frivolous consumption. You start viewing every dollar you earn as a seed you can plant in the ground, investments, to grow a future forest, not a temporary treat you consume instantly. The single most actionable takeaway for you today is this: focus on your net worth, not your income. Identify 3 liabilities, things that take money, in your life, and make a factual plan to reduce or eliminate them, freeing up cash flow to build your assets. Finally, remember this is not financial advice, only education. The principles discussed here are factual and are the foundation of all serious wealth-building strategies. You must constantly monitor your personal net worth statement to ensure your income is being successfully converted into wealth. Now stop thinking about your next paycheck and start thinking about your net worth. That's the real score.